Hello in Arabic language is marhaban. Say it out loud. Marhaban, meaning hello. Hi in Arabic is ahlan. Say it out loud. Ahlan. In Arabic, to say how are you, you say kaifa haluk. Say it out loud. Kaifa haluk, meaning how are you? And to respond to that, you say ana bikhair. Again, ana bikhair. You will learn to ask what's your name in Arabic. Masmuk. Again, masmuk. What's your name? And to say what's your name, dear brother, you say masmuk ya akhi. Again, masmuk ya akhi. What's your name, oh my dear brother? And to ask, what's your name, dear sister? You say, Masmuk ya ukhti. Say it out loud. Masmuk ya ukhti. MashaAllah. In Arabic, to say, who are you? You say, Man anta. Again, Man hanta, meaning, who are you? And to respond as a teacher, you say, Ana mudarrisun. Again, ana mudarrisun, meaning I am a teacher. And if you are an engineer, you say ana mohandisu. Again, ana mohandisun, meaning I am an engineer. And whatever your profession is, you just say ana, then you put the name you wish to introduce yourself with. Like you say ana tabibun, I am a doctor, and so on. In Arabic language, to say where are you from, you say min aina anta. Again, min aina anta, meaning where are you from? And to respond to that, if you are from India, you say ana min al Ind. I am from India. Again, ana min al Ind. I am from India. And if you are from other country, all you need to say is ana minal, then you include the name of your country. Example, ana minal London, ana minal Yaban, meaning I am from Japan, and so on. You will learn how to ask someone's whereabouts or something's whereabouts. To say where is Yusuf, for example, you say Aina Yusuf. Again, Aina Yusuf. Where is the pen? You say Aina al-qalam. Again, Aina al-qalam. This shows that all we need to do when asking of someone or something's whereabouts is to introduce the name of that particular thing or person. After Aina, we say Aina, then we include the name of what we are asking of its whereabouts. We say Aina al-kitab, for example. You will learn to ask if somebody could speak in a particular language. In Arabic language, to ask if somebody could speak English, you say Al tatakallamu al-Injiliziyya. Say it once again. Al tatakallamu al-Injiliziyya. And to ask if he could speak in any other language, all you need to do is to include the name of the language after the al tatakallamu. Again, al tatakallamu. Assuming you want to ask if he could speak in Arabic language, you say al tatakallamu al-Arabiyya. Al tatakallamu al-Arabiyya. And if you want to ask if he could speak in Hebrew, you say al tatakallamu al-Ibriyya, and so on. To say nice to meet you. In Arabic, the appropriate phrase for that is ahlan wa sahlan. Say it out loud. Ahlan wa sahlan, meaning nice to meet you. Also, to say I am happy to meet you In Arabic language, you say, Ana masrurun biliqa'ik. Again, Ana masrurun biliqa'ik. MashaAllah, I am happy to meet you. Goodbye in Arabic language is ma'assalam. Say it out loud. Ma'assalam. And response to that is ilal Again, ilal meaning goodbye too. In this lesson, you will learn how to express your wish, like saying, I wish to live, I wish to go. In Arabic, the appropriate word for that is arjul dha'aba. Again, arjul dha'aba. I wish to live. In any other ideas, you say arju, then you include the appropriate term in front of arju. Arju dha'aba, I wish to live. Arju dukhul, I wish to come in. To say I would like to live in Arabic language, you say awaddul khuruja. Again, awaddul khuruja, I would like to live. And to express yourself for what you would like to get or to do, all you need to do is to include the appropriate term after our do. You say, I would do the particular things you want. Just like in awaddul khuruja, I would like to live. In Arabic language, to say please help me, you say sa'idni min fadlik. Please help me. Say it again. Sa'idni min fadlik. And you can simply say sa'idni, meaning help me. And when one is in danger, all you need to say is Musa'adan, Musa'adan, Musa'adan. This means help, help, help. Take for example, if you want to say, how do I get to London? All you need to say in Arabic language is كيف أصل إلى لندن. Again, كيف أصل إلى London, meaning how do I get to London? And for example, if you want to say, how do I get to a restaurant? All you need to say is, كيف أصل إلى مطعم. Again, كيف أصل إلى مطعم. How do I get to a restaurant? And if you want to ask how you can navigate to anywhere in the world, all you need to do is to include the name in front of the phrase. كيف أصل إلى, then you put the name of that particular place you are intended to go. You will be taught how to express gratitude. To say thanks, you say shukran. Repeat out loud, shukran. And to say thank you, you say shukran lak. Again, shukran lak, meaning thank you. And to call onto somebody and express your gratitude, you say shukran lak, yeah, and you mention the name of that person. Example, you say shukran lak ya Yusuf. Oh Yusuf, thank you. Or thank you, oh you Yusuf. Or shukran lak ya akhi. Oh my brother, thank you. You will be taught how to respond when somebody tell you thank you. In Arabic, you say afwan. Again, afwan, meaning you are welcome. This same word, afwan, also means it's nothing, that is, never mind, don't mention. To say I am sorry when you feel you've messed up. In Arabic language, you say ana asif. Again, ana asif, meaning I am sorry. In this lesson, you will learn how to say, do you have a pen? To say that in Arabic language, you say, hal indaka qalamun. Again, hal indaka qalamun. Good. And to ask if you have any other things, you say, hal indaka, and you include the name of that particular thing by saying, hal indaka kitabun. For example, Al indaka baqaratun. Do you have a cow? For example, and to express your wants, you say Uridul qalaman. I want a pen. Again, Uridu qalaman. I want a pen. And to say you want any other thing, you say Uridu and you include the appropriate term after the word Uridu. Uridu qalaman, I want a pen. Uridu kitaban, I want a book. Uridu daftaran, I want an exercise book. To say excuse me, you say udhuran. Again, udhuran. Again, udhuran, meaning excuse me. You can also say min fadlik. Again, min fadlik, meaning excuse me. Assuming somebody says something and you couldn't comprehend or get him clear, you have the right to say, please repeat what you have said. And the right expression for that in Arabic is takrar min fadlik. Say it out loud. Takrar min fadlik. That means repeat that, please. To say how much in Arabic language, you say kam. And to say how much is in Arabic language, you say kam qimatu. Then you include the name of that particular thing you want to ask for the price. Assuming it's a pen, all you need to say is kam qimatul qalam. How much is the pen? Again, kam qimatul qalam. How much is the pen? You learn how to say, I do not understand. The Arabic expression for that is ma fahimtu. Again, ma fahimtu, meaning I do not understand. In this lesson, you will learn how to say speak slower or to say speak slowly. To say that in Arabic language, you say takallam bati'an. Again, takallam bati'an. Again, takallam bati'an, meaning speak slower or slowly. In Arabic, to say call the police, you say ittasil bil police. Again, ittasil bil police, meaning call the police. You can also say ittasil bil shurta. Again, ittasil bil burda, meaning call the police. To say what do you recommend in Arabic language, you say bima tusini. Again, bima tusini. The phrase bima tusini also mean what do you suggest? It also means what do you advise? Bima tusini. What will you advise? How to use hada in expressions. The word hada means this. Again, hada, meaning this. And to say what is this, you say ma hada. Again, ma hada. What is this? And to say this is a pen, you say hada qalamun. Again, hada qalamun, meaning this is a pen. To ask, is this a pen? You say ahadha qalamun. Again, ahadha qalamun. Is this a pen? And how to say that? The word that in Arabic language means dhalika. Again, dhalika. And to say what is that in Arabic language, you say ma dhalika. Again, ma dhalika. What is that? And to say that is a pen, you say dhalika qalamun. Again, dhalika qalamun. That is a pen. And to say, is that a pen in Arabic language? You say, adhalika qalamun. Adhalika qalamun. Is that a pen? How to say what is a particular thing? For instance, somebody in his expression, He used the word pen, and it happens that you don't really know what a pen is. How to say that in Arabic language is ma huwa qalamun. That is, what is a pen? I don't really get the word pen. I don't know what it means. Then you say ma huwa qalamun. What is a pen? Again, ma huwa qalamun. What is a pen? And that's how you ask, by putting whatever name of anything that you don't really get what it's meant for, by saying ma huwa, the particular thing you intended to ask about. Ma huwa, then you say ma huwa kitabun, for example, what is a book? Ma huwa baytun, for example, what is a house? To say yes in Arabic language, you say na'am. Again, na'am. Again, na'am. And to say no in Arabic language, you say la. Again, la. Again, la.